Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I have a box of Scentsy that just arrived, and so I am gonna pop this open to see all the stuff that I ordered, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. Part of your Scentsy Club, you can add all these amazing things to your Scentsy Club, guys. And then when you do your Scentsy Club, you'll get 10% off on $30 in orders. And with anything over $60 in orders, you'll get 10% off plus a half price item. So if you want to get a whiff box for half price, you can, guys. Or you want to get some washer whiffs for half price. But you always get this paper in here. So I absolutely love it. So this is what I have in here that I ordered, guys. I ordered some more bathroom cleaner. This is Fiesta Lime. So this is my first time trying Fiesta Lime. So I'm excited to try that and pop that open and get that open. Yes, the next thing I ordered was some Fiesta Lime and dish soap. So we have a dish soap, guys. So you absolutely gonna love that. I love the dish soap. These are staples, guys, that I must have. So this is what makes me my biggest customer, because I use everything that Scentsy offers. Everything that Scentsy has, I use it. From the body wash to the Scentsy soak to the actual sugar scrub. I use it all. I love Scentsy, guys. So we got some more dish soap. I got some Johnny Appleseed. So I got some of that. Then I also got, some more Scentsy Fresh. I love this. I cannot get enough of this clothesline Scentsy Fresh, guys. If they had it in Squeeze the Day, I'll have it in Squeeze the Day too. But those are my two favorite scents right now. It's clothesline and Scentsy Fresh and Squeeze the Day. So I love those. And I got some more dish soap, which is Sun-Kissed Citrus, guys. If you go to my website at wicklessallstars.com, you can also see the bundle and save. You can bundle and save and buy 3 and get a percentage off, or an amount off. So go to my website, check that out at wicklessallstars.com. And guys, if you have not heard, it's only $20 to join Scentsy this month. So go ahead, go to my website, wicklessallstars.com, click on the join button. $20, guys, for you to get paid off your own purchases. So I have some more Fiesta Lime and Counter Clean. Yay! So excited about that. Oh, I ordered some more stuff, more items. This is my favorite, guys. Absolutely love this shimmer in our fragrance mist. So it is so good. Shimmer and fragrance mist. Love it. Smells so good, and it lasts a long time. And you're always fresh too. And when you go in the wind, it wafts and people go, oh my God, you smell so good. Trust me, even with the mask on, they'll say that. Another one of my favorites is Newborn Nursery. Love Newborn Nursery, guys, and room sprays, Newborn Nursery, everything. This is so good, guys. So when I also do my empties, I'll tell you about how good this was and give you the description of it. So it smells like a newborn baby. Oh, the next thing I got was Black Raspberry Vanilla. Love it, guys. This is so good. Black Raspberry Vanilla, guys. And the next thing I ordered, love our body wash. This is Hibiscus Pineapple in our body wash. And I also got some body wash and Watermelon Tangerine. Oh my God, it smells so fruity and so good. Yes. I'm excited, guys. Okay, and then I got a fragrance flower. Which fragrance flower is this? I got, black raspberry and vanilla and fragrance flower. So guys, that is my Scentsy haul. That is what I ordered. Guys, you can also put this in your Scentsy Club. Anything that you saw that I posted, put it in your Scentsy Club. So go to my website, or you can join for only $20 and be able to have an amazing, wonderful experience with Scentsy. Trust me, guys, you'll thank me later. So have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all so much. Talk to you soon, Scentsy Spirit. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.